This is a Sub-Zero 642. It's a 42-inch wide stainless steel built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator. Cosmetically in a very good shape. There is a small little dent, which is hardly visible. I gotta point it for you. This could be covered if I can probably remove this Sub-Zero emblem and move it up right here. It will be completely covered and you won't even be able to notice that. This unit comes with 6 months warranty, which covers parts and labor in Phoenix, Arizona area, and 2 months nationwide. We ship to US and Canada. If you're interested, give me a call and I'll be happy to help you.